Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. And yes, I found another $1 Aliexpress product. And this one is pretty useful, I think, for some of you. And what is it? What do you think? What it says in the title? 4-way or 4-channel infrared tracing 4-channel infrared tracking module transmission line obstacle avoidance for Arduino Smart for making car robot DIY kit. For $1 you will get this module, and as I told you, I found it interesting because it's only $1. The link will be in the description below so you can check it. I ordered it and of course I got it. For $1 they not include bubbles. Sorry. Alright. Open it. One back. This probably is the instruction manual. Right. Whoa. So we have in the wires, pin headers, and take a look. This is the infrared sensor, and you can split them like this. Now we have two more. Come on. Now we have 4, and this is the main printed circuit board or the main module where using the wires and the sensors you're gonna attach on the pin header. Also we have what it says, 4 LEDs that will indicate the sensor is picking some obstacle maybe, and also we have 4 potentiometers for adjusting the sensitivity. This thing works on 5 volts, I think. What it says, positive, ground, out, 4 channels. The model is HW096 version 1. To explain, each infrared sensor have 3 pins, positive, negative and out, that need to be connected to each channel of the main module. It says positive, ground and in. Here we have output, here we have input. Besides that, the LED will indicate a movement. Also you have another pins with output to trigger something else. Maybe you connect the Arduino or ESP32 development board. Now I'm gonna connect all the sensor, all 4 of them sensors, and try it. I connect all 4 of infrared sensors through the wires to the main module, and you need to be careful on the polarity, remember, because these are rainbow wires. You need to remember which one is ground, which one is positive, and which one is out input. Take a look, and I'm gonna power it with 5 volts, and take a look. The first LED that is turn it on, meaning that the module is working. Let's try it. Yep. All sensors are picking the movement of my hand. So this module can be used for making a robot, maybe for avoiding obstacles. And take a look at the LEDs, how they turning on and off while I'm moving the hand. And also I wanted to show you this. I needed to turn off the studio lights so I can demonstrate the next testing. And yes, the infrared sensors can detect fire. You can use them, all 4 of them, Take a look. Can you see that? When it's off, the LEDs are off. Just to tell you that this module can be used without Arduino. On the output of the main module you can attach a buzzer, maybe a LED light, a servo, whatever you want. And take a look, right now I have attached on channel number 1, I think, a buzzer. Here nothing happens. Can you hear it? Yes. So it detects my hand. Other channels are activating just the LED, but the full channel is activating the buzzer. Alright. Okay, I hope you like today find on AliExpress for around $1. You can buy this 4-channel infrared obstacle or avoiding sensor module. Okay, thank you for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! Tomorrow, every day new video.